Hello everyone, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Haas VF-8D. This all-American machine comes equipped with a 20 horsepower 2-speed gear drive. It's got a 10,000 RPM 40 taper spindle, a 24 station side mount automatic tool changer, and he comes equipped with a table size of 64 by 36 inches. For full specifications, I will list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Haas VF-8D. If you have any further questions at all, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.